All right, so this is a full set of the SUNPOW pull-up assist bands. They did send these to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to demo these for you. Very high quality. They give you this carrying case, as you're going to see in a second. Great for pull-up assist, but you can do a ton of other things with these for at home. The red band is going to give you like 60 to 100 pounds of lift. Come over the top. Okay. Loop it through. All right, so we're gonna step up on the box. All you're gonna do is place your foot in there. So that's giving me 60 to 100 pounds of extra lift, okay? The black band here is the thickest. That's gonna give us 100 to 125 pounds of lift. And this is pretty much holding me. You see this? So it's doing a lot of the lifting for me. Then just release it at the top. So the orange is gonna give you about 30 to 60 pounds of lift. The blue is gonna be about 15 to 30 pounds. And the thinnest and lightest one here is 5 to 10 pounds of lift. So if you're getting really close to being able to do your own pull-up, you're gonna move down into these. It's gonna require more strength. It's gonna use more of your body weight, less of the band, all right? You can use these for curls, and we can go ahead and do triceps. Okay, so if we come up to the side, we can do shoulder presses. Okay, so here's a close-up of the quality. These are like, this black one is super thick. The red is very thick, and of course they get thinner, but the quality on these is high. They're high quality.